ओके सो गुड मॉर्निंग सर. सो सर आपको इस एजुकेशन सेक्टर में कितना टाइम हो गया है?
Nearly 33 years
ओके दैट्स ग्रेट. सो यू वर्कड
as a principal.
as a principal. Okay sir. So according to you is skill education important or just academics will work?
No, proper education with culture and tradition is important, because currently the country is going through a very abrupt transition. Whatever we are following at this age of 40, 55, I am saying children are studying, but they don't have that skill in themselves. Until unless they develop the skill part, they will never be able to successful in life. Once you have the skill, you can easily tackle all situations. Culture is not there, bonding is not there. Teachers are afraid to scold, scream, shout, beat, because the government has tightened the hands from all the sides. If we want a child to become strong enough to face the challenges of the world, we need to give a free hand to the schools, to the teachers, and parents. Somewhere they are also guilty for it, because they are not actually letting the teacher do what the teacher should do. If the teacher has that free hand of doing what he wants, what he or she wants to do, and the parents cooperate in it, then definitely there will be a change in the condition that presently what we are seeing. Running a school is a major challenge for us.
Okay so sir are you happy with current education system?
No, we are not at all satisfied with the current education system, because a teacher has so many bindings, and which is diverting the teacher from the actual work. Whatever the teacher should do, whatever a principal should do, is unable to do, because the government has restricted the hands from all the sides. Government is not even giving a free hand to the teacher to teach according to his wish. So with so much constraint, a teacher with immense pressure is doing the work of a parent, is doing the work of a teacher, is doing the work of a counselor, is doing the work of like a god for the child. The teacher is actually the formulator of the society, but the teacher has been taken from all the sides. So in near future, I don't think so the reports or results will be very, very good, because somewhere we have missed the culture, somewhere we have missed the tradition, somewhere we have forgotten the values, the gratitude, the thankfulness. How many teachers we remember in our life? One or two. Definitely one or two teachers not worked upon me. More than I think 100 teachers have worked upon me. We remember only Dr. Harish Chaudhary from IIT Delhi, Dr. Piyush Sharma from NCERT. I remember the person who taught me accountancy, that is PK Jain from Uttamar Jain in IIT Delhi. Then moving on to UPSC, I remember Vishwadeep Vinay Joshi sir, the chairman of CBSE. He brought me into CBSE, and then how people that time were interested. I remember when I was under principal training, Bala Subramanian sir was there from academic director of CBSE. He was very strict. Now I myself am a trainer. I am not strict. Let the teacher do. जो मन में करो, कोई बात नहीं. Let it go. बच्चे ने कर दिया, लेट इट गो. एटलीस्ट टेल द चाइल्ड ये तुम्हारी गलती है, ये गलत है, तुम ये गलत कर रहे हो. द टीचर डज नॉट हैव दैट पावर आल्सो टू टेल द चाइल्ड घूरो मत, देखो मत, डांटो मत, मारो मत. तो जिस गुरु ने अपना हाथ बच्चे पर नहीं दिया ना, वो बच्चा बना भी नहीं.
So sir, like if things will go according to you, so what will you change?
Definitely I will give a free hand to the teacher to teach what the teacher should teach, what the teacher is liking. We know that we must teach according to the child's interest. Are we working on vocationals? Are we working on skills? Give a free hand to teach skill education right from class 6. If the child is not interested to study after class 8, give him a vocational training certificate of 9, 10, 10 as an ITI degree. He can face the world. Let him go and learn. We went to market when we were class 3, 4. Today we send a child and they are unable to do the marketing. Why? They don't want to take the responsibility. The parents don't want to take the responsibility. The teachers are afraid in having this total education system against the teacher. So where will you get the results? Where will you find that gratitude? How many people you thank Are you thankful today? You are not thankful to parents. You are not bonded to parents. You are not attached to the teachers. I think so. I think maximum 100 or 200 students, out of them 40-45 are DM, SDM. They sometimes message me, sir, आपने मारा तो आज हम बन गए. And their kids, sir बहुत बदमाश है. Sir ऐसे करते हैं. Your father became a DM because I was strict. I was a fresher. I was strict. Your father became a DM. And your child, that same DM's child, सर देखिए ना पढ़ता नहीं है, मोबाइल छोड़ता नहीं है. द चाइल्ड इज इन क्लास नर्सरी, LKG, UKG. बोले आपने बच्चा पैदा किया कि बच्चे ने आपको पैदा किया? यदि बच्चे ने आपको पैदा किया तो फिर मोबाइल दे दो. यदि आपने बच्चों को पैदा किया तो देन यू टैकल इट ऑफ. Somewhere teacher and parents coordination, communication gap is widening too much. We have to think twice, should I call the parent or not? But my teachers did not think. They came to home and they also obeyed and the parents also obeyed. Teacher ने मारा मतलब तुमने कुछ किया. You have done something. Understood. Now, अच्छा सर खरा है, जरूर फीस बाकी होगा, जरूर कुछ बात होगा, कोई हेल्प चाहिए. Why that thinking is there? The thankfulness, gratitude. I've been to Finland, I've been to Australia, I've been to Canada. Few of my students are from Germany in my school. Few of my students are from Japan in my school. You won't believe the respect they pay to us. If I am walking down the corridor, they will never cross and they will never run. That is the respect for a teacher. They don't run. I'm walking very slowly because I'm also in their class. They are walking just one step behind me. A child from class 9, currently that girl is in class 9, she's from Germany and she knows about solutions, salts. Our children don't know. You give her a medicine, she will tell, yeah, sir, whatever is this, what is the combination? Our class 9 children don't know anything about it.
Exactly.
So I have introduced Jugaad lab right from class 1 in my school. You go to classroom, you study or don't study, first you go to the lab.
That's great.
Make your own experiments. See if the water is boiling, why the water is boiling, where the bubble is coming. We know about it, but the current children, they don't know. Sir, उबल रहा है इसलिए तो बुलबुला आ रहा है. अरे कहाँ से आ रहा है बुलबुला? नीचे से तो आ रहा है. कैसे बन रहा है? You don't know. You give a fixed question, a fixed answer, they will answer back. You change the question. ये क्या पूछ लिया? Sir, this is out of the syllabus, out of the course. They don't know what they are studying. They are not questioning the teacher. They are not asking the teacher. अरे मैम YouTube पे है ना सब हम कर लेंगे YouTube से. बहुत कुछ कंटेंट है Google पे. There is no replacement of a teacher. A teacher is always a teacher, was a teacher, and is the formulator of the society.
Definitely. They
So,
always give a, extra
Teachers must have that relaxed part. If we want to run half an hour class more, I have to issue a circular. कल से आधा घंटा क्लास ज्यादा होगा. 100 पेरेंट्स विल कम. क्यों मेरा बच्चा आधा घंटा ज्यादा रहेगा स्कूल में? मेरे बच्चे को छोड़ दीजिए. तो तुम्हारा बच्चा कैसे बनेगा? प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग नहीं हो रहा है, उसका डाउट क्लियरिंग नहीं हो रहा है. दे आर रेडी टू सेंड टू कोटा क्लासेस, बट दे आर नॉट रेडी टू गिव अस 1 hour extra. I remember I was in St. Mary's, from there into St. Xavier's, and one of the world's best school, world's costliest school. And they would tell, "Acha, you came 5:30 the class will start." In my time, professor will give, "I am free from this time to this time, the class will be held." Now there is a fixed time the school इतने बजे से इतने बजे चलेगा. In foreign there is nothing. My professor would tell, 5:30 come to so and so ground. 5:30 in Edinburgh. Piyush Sharma sir was there, NCERT director. Shahid Bhagat Singh just behind IIT Delhi. Bernard Gaudi and team, please report to there 5 o'clock in the morning. We would get, हाँ sir, वो देखो चिड़िया का बच्चा अंडा दे रहा है ना, मैं उसको फोटोग्राफी कर रहा हूँ. He was director of NCERT. ये था पढ़ाई. एक अंडा से बच्चा निकल रहा है, तो one cocoon was coming out, no? So I went and broke it. तो butterfly will come out. बोले what you did? बोले वो मजबूती नहीं बनेगा. And it came out, it died. तो what did I learn? उसको अपने विंग्स को मजबूत करने के लिए कोकून को तोड़ के बाहर आना है, तो लेट इट कम आउट ऑफ हिज ओन. अंडे को तोड़ के मुर्गी का बच्चा खुद से धक्का मार के निकलेगा तो पंख मजबूत होगा, तब उड़ पाएगा. दिस इज व्हाट वी लर्न, प्रैक्टिकल एजुकेशन. नाउ वी आर क्वेश्चन आंसर फिक्स्ड, डेटा कंप्लीट, प्रोग्राम कंप्लीट, प्रोजेक्ट कंप्लीट, नंबर पेरेंट्स सर 99 था, अभी तो 98 हो गया। अरे तुमको नंबर से मतलब है कि उसकी क्वालिटी से मतलब है? सर आपका रिलेशन मेरे से इतना अच्छा है, हम बर्थडे पे बुलाते हैं, शादी बुलाते हैं, आपने मेरे बच्चे को थर्ड कर दिया। रिलेशन इज समथिंग एल्स
जी
एंड एकेडमिक इज समथिंग एल्स। तुम्हारा मेरा संबंध, तुम 55 साल के, मैं 55 साल का, कल को 10 साल में मर जाएंगे। ये 15 साल का बच्चा तो कल फ्यूचर है, वो देश चलाएगा ना। तो रिलेशन मेंटेन करने के चक्कर में अरे हम उसको डांट देंगे तो संबंध खराब हो जाएगा। अरे संबंध 5 साल बाद हम दोनों तो नीचे रहेंगे, वही तो ऊपर रहेगा। इफ आई डोंट रिलेट in my village, any parent will scold any child. I'm from South Panchim, Goa. Any parent will scold any child, and the parent of that child will not go and ask you data. Never ask, because they know he has done something wrong. Now, nobody says anything. The child is there in the center. The school is there. The parent is there. The society is there. Until society will not change, this will not change. And if this not change, school will not change. We have become pure businessmen. We started school with 168 rupees fees, 685. Now what? How much are 30,000 fees per month for class 1. तो पेरेंट्स सर आप सोना खिलाते हैं क्या? हम बोले नहीं, हीरा खिलाते हैं। पहले मारते थे तो 685 में पढ़ाते थे, रिजल्ट दिखता था। 100 बच्चे आईआईटी में यार, 100 के 100 99 नहीं हुए 10 साल में, यार 10 साल में 100 नहीं हुए। आपका बच्चा घर में पढ़ेगा नहीं, आपको बच्चे को स्कूल में हम एक्स्ट्रा रख नहीं सकते, पढ़ा नहीं सकते, कुछ बोल नहीं सकते, आंख दिखा नहीं सकते, डांट नहीं सकते, मार नहीं सकते, तो क्या होगा? स्किल कहां से आएगा? ये लाइट जल रहा है, ये लाइट क्यों जल रहा है? ये फिलामेंट क्यों जल रहा है? 1028 एक्सपेरिमेंट किया उसने, 1028 एक्सपेरिमेंट, तब ये बल्ब बना। 1028 एक्सपेरिमेंट, फेलियर्स, फेल्ड। मैं पहला सॉफ्टवेयर बनाया इंडिया के लिए, आई फेल्ड 18 टाइम्स। आई वॉज गोइंग बैक टू चिकागो। तो रतन टाटा टोल्ड मी, बर्नार्ड गौडी, तुम्हारे बाप ने मिसाइल बनाया और तुम एक सॉफ्टवेयर नहीं बना पाए। उस मिसाइल को कंट्रोल करने के लिए सॉफ्टवेयर तुम बना नहीं पाए, उसने मिसाइल बना दिया। मिसाइल के बाद तुमको सॉफ्टवेयर तो बना दो। 18 टाइम्स आई फेल्ड, देन आई मेड द कंट्रोलिंग सिस्टम। यही टीचर है ना, मेरे प्रोफेसर थे ये लोग, डायरेक्टर्स हैं, सीबीएसई के डायरेक्टर विश्वजीत साहब, मेरे साथ की यूपीएससी, हम लोग सब गोल्ड मेडलिस्ट है। वो कहीं है, हम कहीं है।